A very warm welcome to one and all. Today we are going to learn crafting skills, and by learning these crafting skills you will become a master of your craft. You can create many new things and you can hang it in your home. Have a glimpse of it. Here are few items that has been made using wool. So these things can be made using wool, and these are very simple. You can make it at your home using old wool, different colorful threads, etc. Using pom-pom and tassel, you can make a number of new things and you can decorate your home. And today we will make pom-pom and tassel. Floral and colorful pom-pom and tassels have different uses. Like we can make garlands, wall hangings, bag charms, and we can also make jewelries using pom-pom and tassel. So here are few examples how you can use your pom-pom for decorating different items. Like you can use it for making wall hanging, you can decorate a birthday cap. Also you can tie a string and add different colored pom-poms. It looks so beautiful when it is hanged on a wall. You can see I have made a wall hanging in which multicolored pom-poms I have used, and also different colors beads are there. You can make wall hanging like that. If you add different tassels in a string, it can be used for tying the curtain. It looks so beautiful. You can tie the curtain using this. It will beautify the look of your house. Using pom-poms, you can make flowers and keep it in a vase around your study table. Few more examples of pom-pom usage. In this, bangles have been used, and such home decors beautifies the look of your house. You can also make it and hang it on the wall. Pom-poms can also be used for making key rings. Different wall hangings can be made by using pom-pom and tassel together. If you have old key ring, you can add tassel in it. Colorful tassels, when tied on a wood and hanged, it looks so beautiful. Here is a tassel jewelry. So these are few examples of tassel and pom-pom. Both can be joined and many new items can be made out of it. You can also add it to a gift box. You can also gift it to your friends. It looks very beautiful when it is attached in your bag or any handmade items. So let us start how to make a pom-pom and a tassel. For that you require few things for making pom-pom and tassel, that is scissors, a cardboard or something, this is optional, and few wool, colorful wool. If you don't have wool, use thread. So this is a pom-pom and a tassel. I'll show you how you can make it. Take the wool and the scissor. Only two things are required, just the wool and the scissor. So let's make pom-pom and tassel. For that, round the wool all over your fingers, or you can take your ID card and roll the wool around the ID card. I'm showing you how you can make the pom-pom using your hand let's make it using an ID card first, and then I'll show you how to make it using a hand. If you are going to make it using ID card, that will be more easier for you. Make at least 50 rounds of it. Just wrap the wool around the ID card. Make 50 rounds approx. Now cut the thread. Take out the bunch of the wool and then put it on the thread. And tie it properly. It should be very tightly done. Tie it very nicely. It will look like the number 8 after tying. Then the next thing what you will do is you have to cut the end points. From the top also you have to cut it, and from the bottom also you have to cut it. Make sure all the threads are cut properly. Now if you see any extra thread, you have to cut it. Now roll it, but the shape of the pom-pom is not that good, so you have to give it the final shape. Cut it properly and make a circle. The round shape has to be made by cutting the sides of it. You have to give the shape properly, and then you have to roll it over in between your palm. So once you cut the outer parts, roll it in between your palm and it will look like a ball. So the pom-pom is ready. Now let us make a tassel. For that, take the wool. Now I am showing you how to make it using your hand. Just make approx 50 rounds around your fingers. After that, take out the wool. This time you have to cut it from one side and then you will tie it. Cut it from one side and then hold it from between. Take a long string, make a U out of string, and then place the bunch of wool in between, and from the left side take the wool and tie the wool like I am doing. And then you have to tie the bunch from the bottom, and then you have to make a knot. You can use 2 string also for tying at the top and making the lower knot. Once you have tied it, give the final shape to the tassel. These pom-pom and tassels can be used in variety of things. So these are few pom-pom and tassels. I have made it using ID card. You can also make it using your hand. Then I'm showing you how to make a Rakhi using a pom-pom. Just flatten the pom-pom with your hand, tie a string in between your pom-pom, or just paste the pom-pom on a string. Use Rakhi residues. If you have previous Rakhi, you can take out few beads and decorative items and you can tie it, or you can paste it at the top. So beautiful Rakhi is also ready. You can use different color string. You can also use bead for decorating it. So you have seen this is very easy. You can make it using just two things, that is wool and the scissor. Have a glimpse of this tassel design. This is a wall hanging. I have made it using a pom-pom, but the thing is I have not cut the outer portion, just the pom-pom has been pasted and a bead has been put inside it. You can also make a dream catcher. Instead of using feathers, you can put tassels, and it looks so beautiful at night if you will put light in between. Colorful tassels give it a nice look. See how beautiful it looks when it is hanged on your wall. So you know how to make a tassel. You can make this wall hanging also. Just use spare wool and make it. These are the steps of making pom-pom and tassel. This is for pom-pom. Follow these steps, and if you are going to make tassel, follow these steps and make beautiful wall hanging or any other item, whatever you wish to. Thank you and have a nice day.